Hello everyone, Helen here and welcome. Today I will be creating two and fun simple cards using the Snowy Pastels paper pad and the critter stamp set from the box of the month. Now here they are all colored. I am using the Ohuhu markers and they are the pastels, and I use these markers for adult coloring and I wanted to give them a try on these critters. Now I didn't do any shading. This is just one color and I thought they came out really cute, and I just colored them similar to the color palette of the paper pad. Now, since I'm not very good at creating my own background, I decided to uh, use the pattern papers and create my own scene. I chose a snowflake background to just create like an outdoor scene, and of course the hillside borders by Lawn Fawn, and the circle die is by Mama Elephant. I really like the stitch details on these dies, and they are my go-tos for stitching. So here I didn't need to be, I guess, neat about where I placed them on the back of the card because, it will be hidden. And I did use silver cardstock to mat these, and I thought they looked really good. And this is all flat, nothing is gonna be dimensional or anything like that. I thought about uh putting dimensions on the critter itself, but I think it would have looked better if I added dimension behind the circle, but it was too late because I had already added my purple snowflake background. But if you were to do this, I would highly recommend for you to try to give it dimension. That way it'll just look a little more, I guess, dimensionalized. I can't find the right word, but you get what I'm saying. And so here I'm just placing these critters down where it's pleasing to my eye. Now the box of the month is sold out, but you can still get some of the items a la carte. Unfortunately, the stamp set is also sold out, but the paper pad that I'm using is still in Jamie's shop, as well as the matching ephemera. I hope that this gives you inspiration if you have this box of the month. And I was really happy and pleased with how these cute cards turned out. They were super easy to make. You can also add like detail by heat embossing the sentiment with silver embossing powder. I think that would look really cute. You can even put it right above the two critters, but I just opted for the classic black. I just think it's nice and simple and it stands out. And then of course I'm going to decorate my cards with the sparkly enamel dots from Jamie shop. Love her enamel dots. They come with lots of different colors, and the subtle sparkles on it is just the perfect touch to finish off any card. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below what you think, and I hope you have a wonderful day. See you on the next one. Bye.